Last night I showed you my bloody leg from scratching it to get rid of the itch. And people think, oh, scratching is horrible. Never scratch. You're only going to make it worse. It will burn worse. But let me tell you, scratching is a life saving reaction. It's like hunger. You get hungry or thirsty because you need food and water. Your body is telling you, I'm going to make you hungry so you will find food. I'm going to make you thirsty so you will find water. Well, your body is telling you, scratch that itch. Scratch it. Your body knows better. And scratch it until you get relief and it bleeds. Once it bleeds, then the itching will stop and the healing will begin. So, Mother Body knows what it's doing when it tells you, itch that scratch.